So if you're like me and you've just picked up a Tesla Model 3, before you go all in on accessories, I'm going to show you the first thing you need to pick up for your Model 3. It may not be the flashiest of accessories, but it's something you definitely need. So let's check it out. These are the 3W custom fit floor mats for the 2021 to 2023 right-hand drive Tesla Model 3. They are laser scanned for a glove-like fit and made from TPE, a tough, eco-friendly material that's waterproof, odorless and built to last. But what sets these apart from normal all-weather mats is that these have carpet inserts which clip in, which are really good. What the cool thing about this is these just clip out, so when you need to clean them, just lift them out, give them a hoover, give them a clean. When you're done, you pop them back in. They clip back in place. They are secure, they don't move. Bob's your uncle. The base layer gives you a full all-weather protection, great for rain, snow, beach days, or even muddy paws. But when you want that premium carpet feel, those inserts give you the best of both worlds. And it's not just the floors up front or the back seat. 3W gives you total coverage. The kit includes a mat for the frunk, a full liner for the main boot, and even a perfectly moulded mat for the sub-trunk storage as well. Whether you're hauling groceries, cables, luggage, or just your weekly chaos, these mats will help keep everything in place and your Tesla's interior looking brand new. So to summarise, these are really durable, they are easy to clean, the fit is great, and it keeps your car ship shape and shiny. What more do you need? So if you're looking to pick up a set of mats, 3W have a discount code for you guys to get money off your order. So I will leave you a link in the description down below with discount codes for each of your regions. So go nuts and get some money off. So save some cash and keep your Tesla ship shape and shiny. So if you have a favourite accessory for your Tesla Model 3, let me know what it is in the comments down below. I am working on a best accessories video for the Tesla Model 3, so it'll be interesting to see if some of your favourites make my list. So let me know in the comments down below. And that'll be wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. If you want to see some more Tesla accessories content on the channel, let me know in the comments down below. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.